All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today we worked on the final step, which was drilling into the MCC to connect the pipes to the power source, which is the MCC, from the junction box down below. So I was a little bit surprised they sent me back here, but this is the final day, so I'm excited about that. So this is what we've been working on for the last 2 or 3 weeks. So we just basically had to get the piece of 2-inch rigid, and then we just had to cut like 4 pieces to 90 into the junction box, and then thread that, and then tighten that all down, and then that was pretty much it. But it was in a live gear, so we had to be careful. So got all that taken care of, drilled the holes, punched it, and then connected the pipes. So anyways, this is the MCC that we went into right there on the left, and then this is just a overview of the whole manufacturing plant, just a little bit. So a lot of stuff going on here, but I'll show you that more in a second. And then this is also the rest of the run here, coming down from the box right there, with the offsets, one going into this first junction box, and then the other one going into the second junction box here in a second. But anyways, I had to crawl underneath with all that stuff for a while, so that wasn't super fun, and it is very hot and noisy in this place, so it wasn't the most fun job site that I've ever been to. So I'm pretty glad that it's over, and bending this Rob Roy isn't fun at all. Or not bending it, but just like threading it and stuff like that. So anyways, here is the job site. It's basically a canning facility for food, like cherries and tomatoes and yeah, also cranberries and stuff like that. So a lot of stuff going on. It's pretty cool job site, just not the ideal situation, but it's really cool to see all the cans go by and how all the manufacturing works and all that good stuff. So anyways, it was a cool place, but just not a cool place to work, literally. So anyways, got everything loaded up from the job site onto the flatbed trailer, and got everything off of the job site, all our extra materials, tools, supplies, and stuff like that. So back to the other job site tomorrow. But anyways, here is a bunch of the empty cans that they got going on. But anyways, that should do it, guys. Thanks so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. As always, if you enjoyed, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe. I'd appreciate it. Love to see you guys back in the next video, and I will do the giveaway video tonight. So anyway, stay tuned for that. Check the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.